between the account and Enjoy. And then we also have invoices that only show the in singular transactions. Lots of times accounts want to see what they've spent, what they owe, and a statement is a running total of that. And it helps them see if they're behind, if they've missed an invoice being paid, that kind of a thing. And it helps us also when we're trying to collect money from them. Oftentimes an account will send a check in owing for multiple invoices, and when we receive a check, we post whatever check we get to the oldest invoice unless they indicate on the check which invoice to post the check to. And sometimes an account misses an invoice, or we don't send them an invoice and they get out of order. So you'll have an account that orders April, May, June, and they paid their May, or they paid their April issue and they paid their June issue but haven't paid their May issue. Usually that's what's happened, is they didn't get an invoice, or for whatever reason they missed it, or there was a substitute check writer in the business's accounting department that day, whatever. This statements will show the information you need to rectify anything like that. So how do you get a statement? Well, Magazine Manager's sales dashboard, click on customers, go down to accounts receivable, click on statements. You're going to select your company name. I'll use Disappearing Act. And then you want to click on this here, all transactions for statement dates. So sometimes you want every single transaction that's ever happened between Enjoy and the account. Sometimes you want to select a date range for that. This is where you do that. I am, for the purposes of this video, going to just take a year's worth of activity. Today is September 26, 2022, so I'll click on September 26, 2021, and today's date is already there. Click on those dates. None of these other fields need to be touched. Click search, and here's your result. Clicking on this just takes you back to the Disappearing Act home screen. Forget about that. Print to PDF is what you want, and then select the Enjoy statement, and then click on Print to PDF. And this will give you an opportunity what to call it. Yep, it's Monday, so my fingers aren't working. Holy mackerel. Okay, and then I save it to my desktop and click Save. So there you go. It's all set, closed. Now check it. Go to my desktop. Here it is right here. And there you go. Disappearing Act statement for the last year. Shows their opening balance is 0. They didn't have any credit. They ordered, looks like a City Guide ad here with this invoice 222627. And then they paid the invoice. They ordered it on December 13th. They paid their invoice on January 12th. So one day before it was past due. So that's good. Thank you. And that's it. So you can take this, print it, email it, whatever you want, but now you have a statement for this account and any other account you want to generate a statement for.